What's up everybody? I am Jeremy from WeldTec Designs. Welcome back to the channel, and if you are a Chevy Express van fan, lover, maybe thinking about getting one, you're going to want to watch this video and make sure you stay tuned to the end because we're gonna do something really cool when this thing's all over. So stay tuned. So first, what I want to do is get into this. What we're going to talk about today is diesel vans. So we know that you guys love the diesel van. You love our 2.8 liter Mr. Potato van that we did. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, I'm going to throw up a card right there and you guys can go check out Mr. Potato van. But what I want to talk to you today is about something a little bit different. And we're going to do a side-to-side comparison in the 2.8 liter right here on the jack paddle van, and then we also have the 6.6 Duramax 155-inch wheelbase on both of these vans. So that's super rad. We don't usually get two vans the same way, except totally different lifts on these. Let's jump right into the lifts, and first let's go check out the jack paddle van. And if you don't know what I'm talking about or why I'm calling it that, it's because it says jack paddle all the way down the side of this thing. And if you want to know more about jack paddle, I'll be sure to throw a link down below and you guys can go on an adventure of your lifetime, because one of these days I'm gonna have to make it up to Canada and go on a jack paddle adventure for myself. But dude, this thing is looking awesome. We've wrapped this in the Method wheels. Dude, you love those. These are the Con 6 wheels sitting on a 285/70/17 tire. What we've done on this is our 5-inch lift kit. Boom, you guys love the 5-inch lift kit. If you want to know more about it or how to install it, I'm going to throw up a card right way up there. There it is. Here's the card. There it is. There's the card. Smash that card, go look at it, watch the video, see how to install this, because it's easy. You can do it. But this thing is sitting awesome as we poke our head in there. What that 5-inch lift kit is going to consist of is going to be our 3-inch lift spindle, our 2-inch aluminum coil spacers, and our Fox shocks. Super rad. But that's not all we did to the front of this thing. As we run around to the front of this, and we're gonna see that our awesome stealth bumper, we've also added a ton of light force lights to the front of this, which are awesome. You guys know that we love our light force lights, and these ones are super rad. Again, our Venom lights on there, we love those lights, killer. Can't say enough good things about these light force lights. I mean, they'll never leave you in the dark. All right, and also on this bumper, what we've also done is behind this skid plate right here, we have also added a Smitty built winch, which is super rad, with D-ring shackles underneath the bottom of this for recovery purposes. Super, super, super rad. Gotta love it. It's all dark over here. We want to go see this in the light, so we're gonna roll back over here. And as we come back to Mr. Jack Pine Paddle, we're gonna check out these awesome rock sliders that we've done. This is the double tube rock slider, and we've kicked it down at an angle, so it also makes for a really nice step getting into. So full length, 3 mounting points into the frame on this 2.8 liter Chevy Duramax. Now in the rear, we've kept it a little bit simpler. We've just done blocks and U-bolts in the rear of this. And then we also, to finish off the back, we did our Fox shocks in the rear, which when we come back and get an overall nice look at this, it's giving us just a nice killer. Dude, this thing's awesome with the silver, the trees. I have to say, one of the coolest things about this, here, I'll like kind of block it out. Dude, look at this license plate. Like, how rad is that? It's a bear. Like, why are we not cool enough to have license plates like that in the US? Like, I don't know, it's rad. And then in the back, you can see another Method wheel wrapped in a BFG tire, all on the Aluminess tire rack. And if you want to know more about any of these products, I will make sure to put a link below. But this is really nice, something that's also really easy to install from Luminous Products. We love using their stuff on a lot of our builds because we just can't, why build it? They already build it so nice. This thing's awesome. So, and as we come around to the other side of this, we'll see the rock sliders on the back of this. And that's really it that's on this van that we did. But as you look behind me, you can start seeing that other Chevy Duramax logo, which we have the 6.6. And this isn't just a two-wheel drive lift kit as we come and look at this, but we're gonna see this right here. Boom, four-wheel drive. So this is the 6.6 Duramax. We've converted this to four-wheel drive. Now in the rear of this, we've done the same setup. We're running the blocks and U-bolts in the rear. In this, we went with a 4-inch block in order to keep it pretty level with the suspension that we did in the front. So in the front, we got a true 6 inches of lift out of this coilover kit. And if you don't know what I'm talking about when I talk about our coilover kit, I'll throw up another card and you can get even more familiar with the coilover kit and possibly what it's capable of doing. So right now we're still running the stock wheels and tires on this particular vehicle, but eventually it will go to a 35-inch tire once we open up the wheel wells in the back of this and do some trimming. Typically we'll also add our mini fenders on this as well. But overall, super rad, super clean. Box lower control arms are 2.5 King coilovers on the front of this as well. Everything is like super upgraded, and this is the kit that allows you to run a 35-inch tire, and it's giving you a ton of lift. I mean, you can see this from how much just clearance is here in the wheel well. Is amazing, super rad, and I'll let Austin peek his little head under there and get some killer shots of this. Now, like I said in the beginning of this video, it's not very often that we get to have two such cool vans here, two Chevy Duramax Diesel vans. That was a mouthful almost. One of the big questions that you guys are always asking us is, how do these vans tow? We said, well, I don't know. We don't own either one of them, so I can't tell you. So luckily enough, our customers gave us the green light and said, yeah, go tow with my van and let me know how it does. And we're like, we'll make a cool video out of it as well, so you guys, all of you in YouTube land, will be able to see like, oh man, this Chevy does great, this does great. What are the pros and cons of it? So that's coming up in the next video. And if you don't know, I'm gonna I wish I could throw up like double cards, like, oh, which one you wanna see, 2.8, 6.6. But I'm gonna throw up a card for one of those or the other, and then I will put links down below to both of these videos. As what we're gonna do is we're gonna tow two things. First, we're gonna go and we're gonna tow a boat. The boat's gonna come in at about 4,700 pounds. And then what we're gonna go do is tow our Big Pig black race trailer that you have seen behind our 6.0 gas engine. And we are gonna then go tow that with both of these. And not just on the or just on the street. We're gonna go hit the highway, head up into the mountains a little bit, and really give you a chance to see like, okay, how do they tow uphill? How do they tow just on, you know, normal, flat, everyday driving, some of America? But at least kind of give you guys a little intro into our opinion on how they tow. So I hope you guys enjoyed kind of seeing these two vans that we have here, as well as like what's to come in this new towing video that we will make for you guys. So that's it. I don't have anything else to show you out here. I think it's lunchtime. I'm hungry. I want to go eat. All right, that's it. I will see you guys later.